the two Bratty sisters. Sis?
Yes.
Why don't you get the Dear Dolly ribbon heels? Because I gave you 2 million diamonds yesterday.
Well, it's expensive than that.
I gave you 2 million. Oh wait, I forgot. I only gave you 40,000. You need 10 more thousand, but I'm poor right now. I only got 1,000.
Yeah, let's go to some sex.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Why is Lily there again? Lily, go away. Lily, go away. You're the poor girl. Get out of here. Now. Lily, get out now. Otherwise, Lily, get out of here, or I'll call the cops on you. Now.
But this is for everyone.
Go away right now, Lily. Go right now.
Oh, I'll push you with water and don't.
Go away. Go to your poor. Go to your poor spot. Okay, I'm so glad that poor girl just went to Sunset Island.
Yeah.
Now she is not in our way. But if she gets back in the next 30 minutes, I am going to call the cops on her. How about we just get changed right now?
Yeah.
Okay, finish being changed, and your outfit looks so good, but mine looks a bit better. Because I have the very, very high heels.
A lot of let's go to Sunset Island competition so we can get a lot of money.
Okay, let's do that right now. Okay, so I guess my sister hasn't arrived from Sunset Island yet. So I'm just going to call her on my phone. So let's do that now. Bring, 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 bring. Bring, 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 bring. Hello? Does it hear me?